In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more cases fast here in Rivals on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's a few different methods to do this. We're going over every single one of them, but by far one of the best methods in the game right now is by doing daily tasks. If you select tasks from the main menu, you're going to see your daily tasks just like so. These are really easy missions. It's stuff like eliminations, wins, playtime, stuff like that. And these reset every single day. And if there's crates in here, it's by far the fastest way to get crates. It's not guaranteed though. Up next, and you knew it was going to happen in this video, we got codes. If you have codes and you verify your account by liking the game and verifying, it'll give you free rewards. And then of course you can enter in those codes to get more cases. Another method is the shop. Sometimes there's going to be free rewards in the shop itself, as well as, your standard ones that you pay for Robux. Or you can actually watch ads sometimes in order to get cases as well. All of these give you free items when they refresh. So it's worth checking out the shop as well. But for free methods, just play game modes like Team Deathmatch or Free For All, and playing matches and leveling up obviously gives you rewards as well. But finally, of course, check out the Season Pass in the shop section as well, because of course there's going to be some stuff in here that is worth redeeming in order to get those crates. Obviously, it is way further on, which is a little unfortunate, but it is worth it and worth grinding towards. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.